Hello students, today we discuss the continuation of environmental issue, that is solid waste and then what are the source of these solid waste and normally what is meant by solid waste? Everything which put towards that particular any one type of the dustbin and whatever the present, which it must be goes on trash. Everything which goes on trash, that represent as this one solid waste and normally either hospitals, either homes, offices, storages, schools and different types of the places. These wastages normally will be present and all. Apart from this one, some industries also it must be takes place and all. Then these solid waste. So what are the related to these solid wastes are present and all. That means regarding related to these solid waste in these municipal wastages. In these municipal wastages, what are these municipal wastages? Normally it is present under that is related to either food wastages or glasses, related to leather, rubber, plastic, paper, or such type of different types of in the form of the cloths or related to textiles and all like that, or metals, like the different types of the waste materials which goes on the trash that represent into the solid waste and all. In this specific type of the solid waste, they distributed, they bifurcated into the different ways and all. That is, one among these solid waste represented biodegradable, another one non-biodegradable, another aspects related to recyclable and all. Like these three different types are present. Suppose for example, biodegradable solid waste, nothing but paper, such type of the things and all. Non-biodegradable material related to whatever at present days each and every human being, they must be used. That is in the form of the bags or while covering of this any particular type of the food items, everything regarding related to storaging of milk and all, there is none other than plastic material, that is non-biodegradable and all. Related to recyclable, some of the chemicals, some of the metals regarding related to recyclable and all. Like that, if you segregate that specific type, respectable type and all, then easily some of the things it must be recyclable means it must spent into that recyclable and all. Once again, reutilized and all. Some of these one, if it is degradable, it must be helpful for the further type of the organisms and all. Then, which are non-degradable, then any alternative methods and all, it must be utilized. Otherwise, it may be causes harmful effect of that human welfare. Regarding related to different types of the human welfare, nothing but it is also affected to the plants. Plants affected automatically, human welfare and all. In such a manner, it must be affected and all. Then some of the things are hospital wastages, in that cotton, that cloth material, syringes, needles. Apart from these one, hospital wastages, not only this one, but also some of these one regarding related disinfected, some of these one pathogenic regarding related to organisms. Then some of these particular hospital wastages, it may be causes for the diseases and all. Whatever it may be, anything without any harmful effect of the human beings and all, which causes for the diseases and it must be utilized and all. Otherwise, it may be causes harmful effect of the human welfare and all. Related to, in this, especially maximum the solid waste regarding related to maximum. Nowadays, that Himachal Pradesh, that particular type of these states and it must completely ban regarding related to usaging of the plastic waste and all. But at present, throughout our country, maximum it must be controlled, regulate regarding related to that particular things and all. Then what we do, whatever home wastages, whatever office wastages, whatever these wastages, immediately one can kept on the surface of land area, it must be burned. It must be burned on the surface of land only. So what is the substitute method instead of burning of the solid waste and all? Why? Because it emitted very harmful gases and all. Instead of this one, it is better thing related to sanitary landfills and all. Some of these things, sanitary landfills, even though if it is maximum poisonous one and all, then it is seepage underground water, that water becomes into the polluted and all. So such type of things may not be filled and all. It must be any alternative methods and all. Then what is the best alternative method regarding related to hospital wastages and all? Some of these one, sanitary landfill, which are, if it is possible for biodegradable, automatically it converts into the compost as a such type of the manure for that particular type of the soil, which are growth and development of the plant materials and all. Then sanitary landfills. Then related to another type of these one in hospital. Hospital wastages. What type of things? Normally, it must be utilized with this one. Incinerators, hospital wastages. In incinerators, normally it must be present scrubber as well as electrostatic precipitator. Already said this is scrubber as well as electrostatic precipitator, both which reduce the air pollutants and all without emission of harmful gases to the atmosphere. It must be buried, it must be burned within inside that. Why? Because in the incinerators normally we applied 900 to 1300 centigrade Celsius and all. In that much maximum temperature, it must be buried without emission of harmful gases and all. So suppose dead bodies, nowadays dead bodies also, they kept into the incinerators without emission of harmful gases towards that particular atmospheric condition and all. Some of these factories, some of these higher regarding related to factories areas and all, that is which one can use pyrolysis. In that pyrolysis, normally 1650 degrees Celsius and all. Here, while absence of oxygen, so undesirable, unpolluted, non-polluted gases emitted to the atmosphere. If it must be suppressed regarding related to that specific aspects and all. Why this alternative technique? Why? Because if you burning of the rubber, if you burning of the plastic, if you burning of any other things and all, harmful, poisonous, pathogenic gases emitted, if you inhale, it may be causes the permanent maximum different types of the disorders, diseases, and also affected to the soil, affected to the particular atmospheric condition and all. So that's why these are the alternative one. But at present day, other than this one, the maximum solid waste, maximum utilization regarding related to that specific aspects and all, none other than related to plastic waste, plastic and all. Then it is non-degradable, bio non-degradable and all. That's why, what is the remedy? Who is the person who must be studied regarding related to how it must be recyclable plastic waste and all. That is related to case study in solid waste, especially the plastic and all. Related to plastic and all, that Ahmad Khan, in 57 years old, in RV College of Engineering, which are located at Bangalore, in the year 2002, he must be collected different types of the plastic waste, plastic bags, plastic things, plastic materials, goods, whatever it may be, suppose biscuit packet which covered with plastic, each and every, either one layer, two layers, three layers, multiple layers. Earlier, he must be attracted related to kabaddi wallas as well as rag pickers who must be collected these plastic waste. Then, for 1 kilogram of plastic waste, whomever collected, that rag pickers as well as kabaddi wallas, then they must be taken only 40 paisa per kilogram. But Ahmad Khan, that person, it must be given more than 6 rupees per kilogram and all, like that attracted, like that given more money. That's why maximum people it must be given in this particular person and all. Then all these plastic wastages and all, it must be recycled and formation of polyblend and all. Then the plastic recycling, it made into the powder of the plastic we called as polyblend. Apart from this one, maximum water repellent, then he must be added water repellent. What is the name of that water repellent? He added that bitumen. Water repellent related to bitumen and all. So both combinedly, then he must be utilized for construction of the roads. Already laying roads, but one more layer towards that road and all. Nearly 40 kilometers he made it road while using of this polyblend along with the bitumen and all. In the year 2002, 40 kilometers road he must be. But here very simple and logical one. What is meant by solid waste? Where normally solid waste are extracted, it must be causes and all. Then how many different types are present and all? What is the best method which one can overcome such type of solid waste instead of land burning of this solid waste? That is the best method, sanitary landfills and all. Then some of these one, if it is poisonous one, the seepaging of water bodies becomes into the polluted and all. Instead of this one, another alternative methods like pyrolysis as well as incinerators, that is the best method. Suppose in plastic one, it never be burning, it never be recyclable, then alternative methods, normally it must be used and all. Then what about electronic goods and all? E-wastages. It is also one type of solid waste and all. Electrical goods means irreparable electronic goods, either television, either related to cellular phone or mobiles or telegrams, or any type of these specific type of the electronic goods items and all. Whomever developed countries, the all electrical wastages material, they must be transported into the developing countries. Then there is a main one. But in these electronic wastes also, it must be recyclable, whatever it may be. What type of metals normally, it must be recyclable with the help of electronic waste and all. It is either copper, either iron, silicon, and nickel. Such type of the metals with the help of electronic waste, electronic solid waste, irreparable, such type of any type of electronic goods and all, again ready to recyclable and all. Whenever it must be recyclable, then only it may not be any harmful effect and all. Such type of these atoms, such type of these metals, once again it must be possible through with the help of electronic waste and all. There is also one among the important method and all related to this solid waste and all. Then what is the agrochemicals and their effects and all? Related to agrochemical and their effects and all. Where normally agrochemicals and their effects, normally it will be occurs and all. Agrochemicals and their effects. It is normally regarded as soil pollution. Soil pollution, agrochemicals. So normally, what type of things? Normally, it must be causes to the soil pollution. Many different ones. Some of these one radioactive elements. It is also causes to the soil pollution. Some of these one maximum industrial waste and all. Then agrochemicals, either radioactive elements or agrochemicals as well as industrial waste. But majority regarding related to soil pollution, none other than agrochemical waste as well as fertilizers. That means agrochemicals only related to fertilizers and all. Agrochemicals as well as the industrial wastages and all. Here, agrochemicals as well as that industrial wastages, industrial output, whatever these wastages which are present in industries and all these regarding related to that soil, related to radioactive elements also, one among the causes of the soil wastages are related to that soil pollution and all, which are regarding related to. Among this one, the maximum related to agrochemicals, which one represent we call as agrochemicals and are either fertilizers or related to biocides and all. These two regarding related to agrochemical wastages and all. That means pesticides as well as fertilizers. These two represent we call as agrochemicals and all. In these agrochemicals, pesticides, otherwise we call as biocides. Which type of these chemicals normally it considered as this one biocides and all? Biocides means like the herbicide, like pesticide, like insecticide, like weedicide, like algicide, like fungicide. All are regarding related to we consider as this one biocides and all. Either herbicide, pesticide, insecticide, weedicide, algicide, fungicide. But related to that specific chemical, not only killing or destroying related to that specific organism, but also destroying of other organism, useful organism, beneficial organism also. It includes not only destroying of that specific, suppose algicide, it must be controlled that excess amount of algae, whatever it will be present, specific type of the organism. Suppose fungicide, not only killing of fungus, but also the useful material which are present, the surrounding of the plant material and all. That is the major harmful effect related to this one. Then in the fertilizers, normally we use it to the more commonly nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. This specific type of the chemical fertilizers, normally, frequently, more than the normal amount, it must be used and all. For the sake, for the utilization, this type of the soil pollution majorly classified into the two types and all. Negative soil pollution, positive soil pollution and all. What is meant by negative soil pollution? It is related to in the soil pollution. One is the negative soil pollution. What is the main negative soil pollution? Here, decreased soil productivity due to erosion or excessive usage in that specific soil material and all. There is one among these one we called as negative soil pollution and all. What is it by positive? What is it by positive soil pollution and all? Positive soil pollution means decreased soil productivity due to addition of that is whatever unusaging substances and all. Addition of unusaging substances that is unutilized or undesirable substances and all. So due to addition of undesirable substances, by adding of addition of undesirable substances that represent, that indicates as this one positive soil pollution. Among these two, regarding related to these particular aspects only, it comes under. Suppose for example, biocide. Related to this biocide, in how this biocide it must be gathering, or it must be causes to the this one among this one soil pollution and all. Related to by using of this one normally agrochemicals. These biocide normal chemicals are agrochemicals. Normally they use either agrochemicals or agrochemicals in that sense chlorinated. In this agrochemical, normally here we used that is organochlorinates. Organochlorinates as well as chlorinated hydrocarbons. Chlorinated hydrocarbons. What I am telling, related to biocide, any one among the biocide, normally it must be used organochlorinated or chlorinated related to hydrocarbons and all. Normally what type of chemicals we use and all? Normally it must be used as this one, DDT, diphenyl chloro tetraethane and all. Diphenyl chloro tetraethane are related to benzyl hexachloride. Some amount related to hydrocarbons, chlorinated hydrocarbons are present. Aldrin, it is present. Aldrin, dieldrin, as well as endrin. One among these specific type of the chemicals normally used related to these biocides and all. If we use it, apart from this one, inorganic chemicals also, like in the form of sulfur, like in the form of phosphates and all. Inorganic chemicals also it must be used and all. Organic pesticides, it is also used. Organic pesticides like malathion, parathion, then carbamates. These are organopesticides and all. Either organopesticides, organochlorinated or weedicides, anyone. These chemicals normally used as a biocides and all. If these chemicals are used maximum amount, then what happen? It may be causes soil, it may be causes either negative or regarding related to positive and all. If it is deposited unnecessarily means it must be positive and all. If it is erosion, that specific type of the soil means there is a negative soil, that pollution and all, then it may not possible to growth and development of specific type of the that plants in that specific environmental conditions and all. That is a major harmful effect by using of this one organochemicals and all related to this one. Then apart from this one, if we utilize fertilizers instead of organic or chemical fertilizers in the form of nitrates, in the form of phosphates, in the form of potassium, anyone, organic instead of chemical fertilizers. If you use excessive chemical fertilizers, the nitrates, for example, nitrates are deposited into the leaves as well as fruits and all. If you use excess fertilizers, normal fertilizers, it may not be any harmful effect, normal growth and development of plant material. Excess utilization of fertilizers, then only majorly either nitrates or phosphates which are deposited on that specific type of the plants and all. For example, if nitrates are deposited, if nitrates are present on leaves as well as fruits, such containing of leaves and fruits, any organism, any human being, any infant, if it eats, then it may be causes hemoglobin. It normally affected to the hemoglobin. It interfere transportation of the gases and all. It is very harmful effect of transportation of the gases. Why? Because such type of the chemicals which are deposited, the specific type of environmental condition, whenever it is present, very difficult for transportation, this oxygen towards the blood material, hemoglobin and all. So it is reduced the transportation of oxygen towards the hemoglobin. That is the important point and all. That's why excess fertilizers are utilized automatically. That excessive amount of nitrates, phosphate deposited on the leaves or in the fruits, on the nuts, any different types of that food material. Then such type of food if you take, then it may be causes different types of the harmful diseases and all. Then what is the best remedy? How to control? Instead of excessive usaging of pesticide, excessive usaging of these and all, the best method, that is the organic farming. The best method related to the organic farming. Who is the person who must be identified related to organic farming and all? It is also that is the case study of this one, soil pollution, especially agrochemicals. He must be used organic or biochemicals or biofertilizers. Normally it must be used. This particular scientist related to Ramesh Chandra Dagar. That Sonipet in Haryana, Ramesh Chandra Dagar, Sonipet at Haryana, he must be utilized these completely organic fertilizers. He zero wastaging of any type of the fertilizers and all. Zero wastage, 100% utilized and all. Whatever the wastage, once again recycle. Whatever the things, once again it must be utilized and all. So 0% wastages, he must be used completely organic one. He must be in that particular agricultural field, he must be present in that one, that beekeeping. It is present in beekeeping. Apart from this one, water harvesting one. Water harvesting, composting. Apart from this one, biogas. All these particular things which it must be present. Beekeeping means for the sake of pollination. The dairy management. Apart from this one, dairy management. Dairy management, nothing but whatever the excrete or whatever the dung material of that specific type of the cattle, he must be utilized as this one natural biofertilizers and all. Then even though after excessive amount whatever it may be present, he must be utilized in the form of the biogas and all. That's why biogas plant and all. Then whatever this manure, one can use it in the composting manure and all. So zero wastaging. So what he must be advised and all, we never use excessive amount or normal amount of chemical fertilizers. Each and every farmer, one can utilize it, one can follow all these methods, rules and regulation. Then it must avoid such type of the soil pollution and all. That's why he must be started that Haryana Kisan Welfare Club and all. Haryana Kisan Welfare Club. Haryana Kisan Welfare Club. In that specific club and all, nearly 5,000 farmers they must be participated and all. They enrolled. How many number of farmers it must be enrolled and all? 5,000 farmers are enrolled in Haryana Kisan Welfare Club and all. So, like that, this particular Haryana, Sonipet, the Ramesh Chandra Dagar, each and every person in our country, it must be utilized and all. Then it must be overcome such type of the soil pollution and all. Okay? Remaining we discuss in next class.